This is a video tutorial on using the Wiki article iDevice. Aside from creating links, you can also use the Wiki article iDevice, and this also requires internet connection. Choose the Wikipedia iDevice from iDevice pane. The pedagogical icons within the iDevices serve as field help. For example, the drop-down menu under the site allows the user to select the appropriate language version of Wiki to search. Using the English Wikipedia article, you can enter the search term and then press on load. Wait for a few seconds, then the Wikipedia article you have requested will be loaded in the authoring window. This imported content page or article from selected MediaWiki site can be edited or modified. For example, you can edit the content in exe using elements like objectives or custom activities that are appropriate to your target audience. However, changes made to the article will not automatically be updated to the wiki, so changes made in your copy should be submitted to the wiki as well. Once you have customized the open content resource, it can be exported as IMS content package, SCORM, in a website, in a self-contained folder or zip file, single file, text file, or iPad notes. The flexibility of using this iDevice is both to the advantage of the learners and teachers. As for educators, we can choose the most appropriate learning materials from the plethora of e-learning content from the internet. When all the necessary changes have been made to your content, click on the green check button. And there you have it, the wiki article that you have just modified, tailor-fitted to your learners.